Okay, dear student, our next topic is standard state conventions of non-ideal solutions. We know very well non-ideal solutions. Here, standard state. Standard state means, for example, mu I 0 is the chemical potential of standard. When mentioned standard state means known temperature and pressure, we call a standard state. Here mu is the, we can write like this also. Mu I standard state is equal to mu I star, or mu I star given temperature and pressure, we call as standard state. Simple logic, one thing. Standard state means known temperature and pressure. Here mu is the chemical potential. I means ith component chemical potential under condition standard state. Standard means known temperature and pressure, or given temperature and pressure, we call as standard state. Here first of all we take first convention. Convention 1. Here convention 1 means, first of all we take a non-ideal gas equation. Mu I equal to mu I star mu I naught plus RT ln AI for a non-ideal. If in case ideal means Xi. This is a chemical potential equation. Then in place of mu I naught, we can write mu I is equal to mu I star. When indicate star means given temperature and pressure, plus RT ln AI. This is the equation number 1. For any solution, this equation taken from the Raoult's law. Mu I is equal to mu I star plus RT ln Pi by Pi star. This is the equation number 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, everything mu I star, RT ln AI, here RT ln Pi by Pi star. Here from 1 and 2, comparison 1 and 2, we can write AI equal to Pi by Pi star. This is the convention 1. Now we take convention 2. Convention 2. Here convention 2, we can calculate solute. In convention 2, we define the standard state for solute in different way. For this different way, we can write first of all, for any solution equation, when mention the solution must be used Henry's law. That's why first of all we can write for any solution equation like this. Mu I equal to mu I star plus RT ln Pi by Pi star. This is the equation number 1. After then, from the Henry's law, we know very well Henry's law means the fugacity of the ith component directly proportional to mole fraction, or pressure directly proportional to mole fraction. Here remove the proportional, we can use put a constant Pi equal to K into Xi, or K ith component means Ki Xi. This is the Henry's law. This is the equation number 2. After then, equation, this is the equation number 2. After then, here Pi equal to, here Pi, equation number 2 substitute in 1. Mu I equal to mu I star plus RT ln, in place of Pi we can write Ki Xi by Pi star. Here this equation like ln AB, ln A, this is a ln B, we can write mu I is equal to mu I star plus RT ln KI by Pi star. This is a ln A. After then plus RT ln Xi. This is the equation number 3. After then we can write for mu I equal to mu I star plus RT ln KI by Pi star plus RT ln AI. In place of Xi we can write AI. Why? Because Xi equation applicable for the ideal. This AI mentioned for non-ideal. For non-ideal. This is the equation number 4. Now comparing 1 and 4, we can write first equation mu I equal to RT ln Pi by Pi star. Now fourth equation mu I star plus RT ln first equation mu I plus RT ln Pi by Pi star, and fourth equation RT ln Ki by Pi star plus RT ln AI. Here mu I star will be cancelled. Activity, we want activity. Here for the above equation we can write RT ln AI equal to the total term, take equal to outside. RT ln AI is equal to RT ln Pi by Pi star minus RT ln Ki by Pi star. Now here RT is the common. RT ln AI is equal to RT is the common. After then ln Pi by Pi star minus ln Ki by Pi star. Here RT will be cancelled. Ln AI is equal to ln A minus ln B, ln A by B. We can write ln Pi by Pi star. A by B means multiplication Pi star by Ki. Pi star will be cancelled. Ln will be cancelled. Remaining equation AI equal to Pi by Ki. Ki. This is the convention 2. What is the convention 1? AI is equal to Pi by Pi star is the convention 1. Convention 2 is the AI by Pi by Ki. This is a convention 2. Thank you, dear student.